Hello and welcome back. In this video, we shall discuss the characteristics of motivation. Okay, see here. Motivation basically is a psychological concept. Okay, motivation is something there psychologically present in our mind. Okay, it is not something we can go and purchase kind of a thing. Okay, it is very much within our own self, it is within our own mind. Okay, it is an intrinsic and integral part of our self, of you and me. Okay, so it is psychological. Okay, you cannot externally completely get external motivation unless and until you are motivated from within basically. Okay, nothing from outside can make you work towards some goal or some achievement. Okay, unless and until it is within you. So that is, it is psychological in nature. Okay, also see, it affects the whole individual, not a part of him. That means when you are motivated as a person, as a complete person, not in bits and pieces of your personality. Okay, so when you have that motivation within you, right, so that motivates you and that drives you, that makes you a complete person. Okay, that gives you a complete goal oriented behavior irrespective of the task or irrespective of the job or irrespective of the the act. For anything you will be having certain level of motivation. Okay, that means it is within you and it makes you a motivated person from within and as a whole. Okay, so that is the meaning of this characteristic, and it is a never ending process. See, we are basically human beings, and for us needs and wants, they are ever ending. Okay, they will the list is it's like there is no full stop for the list of wants we as individuals have. Okay, so motivation, like something or the other keeps us motivating. Like it is not we cannot say that, or we cannot claim that if I achieve one thing, that is the end of it. It is not like that. If something we achieve and we feel happy or contented, then some other desire or some other want pops up and we feel motivated to achieve that particular desire or that particular success or goal, whatever. So it is like a continuous process, as in when we are alive, something or the other keeps motivating us. Okay, so that is the thing. And non-fulfillment of basic needs makes one unmotivated. That is very important. See, we as human beings, we have certain basic needs. Okay, so when like hunger, thirst, desire for physiological needs, right, those are the basic needs, and until and unless those basic needs are met, and until and unless those basic needs are satisfied, nothing else can motivate you. Okay, so that is another characteristic of motivation. So for example, if a person is very hungry, okay, he is starving, so what else can motivate him? What else can direct him towards a goal? The first and basic thing he wants to satisfy is his hunger. So that is the basic thing. Unless and until he is full, he cannot think of any other behavior or any other achievement or success or whatever. He cannot even think of other things. So that is the importance of basic needs and the satisfaction of basic needs for human beings, for them to get motivated. Okay, motivated by any other behavior or any other goal orientation. Okay, and self concept is the major motivator. That is very important. Self concept, what do we think about our own selves? What image do we have in our mind about ourselves? Self concept, what I think I am, that I will become. Okay, what you think you are, that is what you become. That is what motivates you to perform, to behave. Okay, if you think, if whatever image you have of yourself in your mind, that itself is the biggest motivator. If I feel that I can achieve something, I can achieve it because that is within me. That is the self concept, or that is the self image I carry about myself. Okay, if you think you can do something, you do it. That itself is the biggest motivator. That image or that idea of yourself, that itself is a motivator. Okay, and if you do not think, the other side of it also, if you think you are not a worthy person, that is how your self concept is or your self image is, then trust me, nothing in the world can motivate such person who himself thinks that he is worthy of nothing. Okay, so that important is self concept or self image. That itself is the biggest motivator. Okay, and it's of course a complex phenomenon. Motivation, what motivates us, what drives us, what does not drive us, that is all complex phenomenon, because basically motivation is here in the mind. Okay, so when we are dealing with the human mind, human nature, it is complex, and nothing in the world is more complex than human mind. Okay, and motivation always directs us towards goals. It is the goal oriented behavior, that itself is motivation. The very internal process or internal part of motivation is goal oriented behavior. Okay, when we are motivated, we work towards a particular goal. Okay, so that motivation drives us towards particular goal or achieving a particular goal. Okay, so goal orientation and goal oriented behavior, that is the very part, that is the very essence of motivation, we can say. Okay, so these are certain characteristics of motivation. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you really do find it helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.